The whole goal is so that sub-Is, when they leave here with something meaningful. The CFS, which is the Center for the Future of Surgery here, is a one-of-a-kind institution in the country. It is a building that was made specifically for surgical education. There are ORs that are built specifically to simulate an intraoperative setting, multiple of them. Specifically for neurosurgery, there's a biplane suite, there's a room with 15 stations, each with their own microscope, suction. This is a facility that was built to educate surgeons. And that surgeon education starts at the medical student level. There really is no other type of facility in the country. And it's such a privilege then to be able to have sub-Is come and be a part of that. Because all of their surgical education, especially with the cadaver labs, happens here. And they get to experience what it would be like if they were a resident here to continue that type of surgical education on campus. The main flagship campus, I would say, would be the Jacobs Medical Center. This is centered in La Jolla. This is where the vast majority of our elective and highly complex tertiary care surgeries happen that sub-Is will be able to experience and see and participate in. We have our Hillcrest Medical Center, which is also our site a little bit further south in San Diego. That is our trauma hospital. Lastly, we have our Rady Children's Hospital. So for a vast array of complex pediatric neurosurgical care, sub-Is will also rotate, see our wonderful, truly world-class pediatric neurosurgical faculty offer a variety of different types of surgical care, ranging in conditions from the brain and the spine, vascular, epilepsy, tumor, to a wonderful array of children that they'll be taking care of. All of this is going to be tailored to what sub-Is have done before or what sub-Is haven't done yet. So whether that's through exposure of the brain and spine, whether that's through participation in parts of the case, whether that's in closure. When sub-Is leave here, they can certainly expect any number of those skills to have improved because they will get that hands-on experience here. As they leave here, every sub-I will have gained the ability to place pedicle screws in a cadaver T8 to L4 by themselves. They will have all exposed the spine by themselves. They will have all have done laminectomies, facetectomies, osteotomy cuts by themselves on a cadaver. Our culture of education is exceptionally strong here, from the top down. From their rotation here, sub-Is can expect to be mentored throughout the entirety of their 4 weeks. So when sub-Is are embedded within the resident teams, sub-Is are mentored by residents and are taught throughout their entire exposure here. Now, when they're a part of faculty clinics or part of the spine cadaver lab, sub-Is are mentored completely by faculty as well. As sub-I director, I meet with sub-Is every week on Fridays. And during those sessions, we talk about anything that is important to them, whether it's the application process, any areas of improvement, especially when it comes to the spine, or even just career advising in general. The rotation is very intentional, and a part of that is through this specific mentorship, and sub-Is can expect to get it throughout the entirety of their stay. At the end of the day, every sub-I is a future colleague. And as much as we can set people up for success now is only going to benefit the field in the future. There's a lot of value placed on things that bring us joy outside of work. And that is also passed down to the sub-Is. This is by trying out the variety of wonderful restaurants that we have, walking by the beach, going on hikes. Even on the medical school campus, there are areas for relaxation and mental well-being and wellness, hammocks and trees and just wonderful scenery. The UC San Diego sub-I program here is a very, very special rotation. It allows students to see and experience the wonderful work that our faculty and residents are doing on a daily basis. And we very much look forward to meeting them.